Hey guys, just want to make a short video real quick and thank a couple people. I got some mail today that I wasn't expecting. A big shout out to Baduga and Oliver over at Droneography. I guess Baduga had won some batteries and from Oliver, and he just told Oliver to send them to me, and I really appreciate it, Baduga. I love you, brother. And this thing here has just been a blast, and I got to get my little camera on there, but and then I put these batteries in here that Oliver sent, and they're well, you can see them, 300 milliamp 35C/70C, and the other ones are only 260 with a 30C. And I done flew it once and with a new battery in it. It seems like it's got a lot more pep and everything. It's badass, I'll tell you. I can't wait to get a camera on that son of a bitch. And then Oliver, thanks again. There's that gimbal that I won from you. That I had Chris put on that bird right there, but it just wasn't. I mean, it worked fine, but I wanted to try to, I couldn't really see what I was doing and everything as far as trying to get some pictures and stuff. I'm still learning, but I use this camera here off this bird to send back, so I halfway know what I'm shooting and everything, which is kind of cool. But my sister gave me that, so it's not gonna last long on that. I got to get me another GPS bird to put on it. I don't want nothing to happen to this. Because she got me this for a present. As everybody knows, she's gone now. But anyway, I got me some new props. I ordered me some dowel props, and these are the 60-45 bullnose. And man, it made this thing come alive. These are 60-45s here, and these are 60-40s here. They're a lot smoother, but they don't have the. I thought the tri-blades would give it a little bit more, but it doesn't. I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't seem to have as much punch as these do here. But they're a lot quieter. All three sets are a lot quieter. So anyway, I don't understand everything I'm supposed to understand about this stuff. But and then I got some more mail from Drone Pool, and I have no idea why he sent that, but Drone Pool, man, I know you're gonna watch this, man. I love you, brother. I can't believe it. Just awesome. I've been wanting one of them for a while, but that's just awesome, man. I want y'all to know that I've been going through some struggles here lately. I'm losing my sister and everything going on with my mom, and now I've got some problems. Trying to get them worked out. I've been going to the doctor here. I got 4 specialists I got to go to, and I mean, I'm a tough nut to crack, so I'm not really worried about it. But I just want to tell my family out there, I love you guys, and y'all have really made this help me get through this tough time. But as you can tell, I'm not real good with words, but I love you, fam, and thank y'all for being there. Thanks again, Baduga, Oliver, Droneography, Dan, Drone Pool. If y'all have not checked their channels out, you need to. They're just awesome people. I love you guys, and hopefully I'll see y'all tonight on the live stream. Later.